Rahim. On behalf of Pakistan Business Professional Council, as a president of the council, with heavy heart, I address to our Pakistan community living in UAE and all the world, and especially to the overseas Pakistani and also to other nationality, with a request to donate more to our Prime Minister of Pakistan Flood Relief Fund. With the unprecedented heavy rainfall, widespread floods and landslides that have affected most parts of our country, the tragic loss of life and livelihood, as well damage to the infrastructure and properties of our country, which is estimated more than $10 billion. I am calling my fellow Pakistan community and friends here and abroad to immediately help those in need. As estimated, more than 33 million people affected across Pakistan. The provinces of Sindh and Balochistan have been the worst hit so far, as well as in South Punjab and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. We, the overseas Pakistani, other nationalities and institutions, especially charitable institutions like Emirates Red Crescent Authority, Emirates Foundation, Islamic Affairs and Charitable, Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan Foundation, Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan Charitable and Humanitarian Foundation, to step forward for the help to the flood-affected people in Pakistan, and also requested the IMF to condone the due payments at this important calamities which Pakistan are undergoing. Also thank the UAE for immediately sending the tents and other items, and thank all other countries for supporting us at this unfortunate time. I request the international body to work for climate change so such calamities to be avoided, as this can happen in any other country. You may course through your donation to our following supported organization. They have organized food drives and ration bag and distribution, for which we are very thankful. Kuwait Foundation, Midland Doctors, Indus Hospital, and PAD in Dubai, or any charitable organization of your choice via your Roshan digital account through the Roshan Samaji Khidmat facility. For Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Rescue and Relief Services, use the Flood Relief app of KP government. It is Punjab government launches flood relief donation website to collect funds for the flood victims. The Sindh Flood Relief Fund, a small donation may go a long way. Join hands with the Sindh government and donate to the Sindh Flood Relief Fund to aid in the relief and rescue effort for those who have been severely affected by the unprecedented flash flood across the province. Donate to Balochistan Chief Minister Open Flood Relief Account. A fund has been created for those affected by the flood under the direction of Balochistan Chief Minister Abdul Quddus Bezinjo. Donation can be made to any branch or office of the State Bank of Pakistan and the National Bank of Pakistan. Pakistan Business Professional Council also collecting in Abu Dhabi clothes, blankets, shoes and household items, and passing to the Pakistan Embassy, Abu Dhabi, for shipment to the affected areas in Pakistan. Also, a team of the board members of the council visiting the affected areas, and we are providing them the food, tents, and especially requiring household items and ladies' hygiene items, and this our team will go to all the affected area on 6th September. We are looking for the visit of United Nations Secretary General, Mr. Antonio Guterres, visit to Islamabad, as United Nations already launched a fund of $160 million with an appeal on last Tuesday to fund emergency aid after flash floods caused due to monsoon and washed away crops infrastructure. The estimated amount is more than 10 billion to repair the infrastructure. I thank the international responses, which is very encouraging, and thanks the US for sending the US 30 million humanitarian assistance aid. Special thanks to Chinese government, already delivered 3,000 tents and other relief goods. But I proudly thank the UAE who provided immediately supplies, shelter material, food and medicine on the instruction of the President, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed. We are very highly thankful on each occasion of our calamities. UAE always in the front donating to Pakistan and anywhere in the world. May Allah bless them. IMF approved the revival of loan program for Pakistan, and which is more than $1 billion, which will be a great support. The World Health Organization is increasing surveillance for acute diarrhea, cholera, and other diseases. We are really thankful to them. Again, join the council to help the Pakistan for the relief work, especially tents, medicine, food, and all other household items, and take care of all the victims, especially those in our camps. Lastly, also later we will be sending a team in all affected areas to assess, and the council will continuously work till all affected people are being settled in their houses. May Allah give strength to Pakistan Business Professionals Council. May Allah help all the flood victims in Pakistan, and such calamities should not come to any other country. Thank you very much for the attention.